Shardeum is an EVM-based, linearly scalable smart contract platform that provides low gas fees forever while maintaining true decentralization and solid security. It uses breakthrough technologies like dynamic state sharding and proof of quorum, allowing atomic processing of cross-shard transactions. Unlike other L1 blockchains, it is faster, cheaper, and more secure. Shardeum is being developed and built by the Shardians from around the world, a community of developers, computer scientists, and researchers. The founders, Omar Syed and Nischal Shetty, who worked at NASA and founded WazirX separately, wanted to create a network that was truly scalable and decentralized where anyone could participate. So they created the Shardeum network, which uses a combination of proof of stake and proof of quorum. This method of securing the network is different from the more traditional proof of stake method used on Ethereum 2.0. Validators lock up SHM tokens in escrow in order to meet a consensus on a transaction level with the help of proof of quorum. If a validator tries to do malicious activities, their token will get slashed. Unlike Ethereum 2.0, Shardeum doesn't need slow, inefficient consensus on a block level to secure the network. This makes Shardeum faster and more scalable than its competitors. To make Shardeum super fast, it uses dynamic sharding, which allows more transactions to be processed per second as more nodes are added to the network. Shardeum is EVM compatible, making it instantly user-friendly for anyone familiar with Ethereum's virtual machine. You can deploy your smart contract from Ethereum to Shardeum with just a few clicks. The interface remains the same for users. There is no need to download a new wallet. The system already supports wallets based on EVM by default. Get involved with Shardeum and help decentralize the world.